Hi guys, welcome to SIEC. This video will give you some information on the PTE language exam. What is PTE? PTE, or the Pearson Test of English, is an English language test which is taken by international students to gain entry into universities and colleges overseas. The PTE exam results are accepted by the following countries: However, the PTE Academic exam is used more widely and commonly for both higher studies and migration purposes. The PTE Academic exam cost is INR 13,300. The PTE exam is 3 hours long and it tests your language abilities in 4 skills, which are reading, writing, listening, and speaking. All the 4 components of the exam are completed using a computer, including the speaking component. The part 1 of the exam is speaking and writing, which takes 75 to 95 minutes. This section includes personal introduction, reading aloud, describing images, answering short questions, summarizing text, and writing an essay. Part 2 of the exam is the reading component, and it takes between 30 to 40 minutes to complete. This section consists of multiple choices, reorder of paragraphs, fill in the blanks, and paragraph reconstructing. Part 3 is the listening component and takes between 45 and 60 minutes to complete. This section deals with spoken text, dictation, multiple choice questions, and fill in the blanks. Are you hoping to take the PTE exam? Then why not be fully prepared? At SIEC, we provide top-notch online and classroom training, which includes mock test, test preparation material, and continuously monitoring your progress leading up to the exam. We have some of the most highly qualified trainers and experienced test coaches who will guarantee you achieve your desired score. All the best and see you soon.